Hi friends, in this video we will discuss what is job sequencing with deadlines and how to solve job sequencing with deadlines using greedy method. Job sequencing with deadlines is another best example of optimization technique that will be solved using greedy method. First, discuss what is job sequencing with deadlines. In the job sequencing with deadlines, a set of n jobs are given where each job I is associated with some integer deadline di such that di is greater than or equal to 0 and a profit pi such that pi is greater than 0. For any job I, the profit pi is earned if and only if the job is completed by its deadline. To complete a job, one has to process the job on a machine for 1 unit of time. Also, only one machine is available for processing all the given jobs. A feasible solution for this problem is a subset J of jobs such that each job in this subset can be completed by its deadline. Next, understand what is the deadline of a job. To understand what is the deadline of a job, consider the above example. In this, assume all the jobs takes 1 hour to complete its processing. Also, suppose machine starts processing a job at 8 am, then job J1 needs to complete its processing within 10 am because job J1 has a deadline of 2 hours. Similarly, job J2 will finish its processing within 9 am because job J2 has a deadline of 1 hour. Similarly, job J3 will ready to wait up to 12 pm and the job J4 will be ready to wait up to 11 am. From the problem statement of job sequencing, it's clear that the objective of job sequencing is to obtain feasible solution, that is maximum profit, and the constraints are only one machine is available for processing all the jobs and only 1 unit of time is assigned to complete a job on a machine. Now solve one example of job sequencing using greedy method. Then assume you have given an example as shown in table 1. There are 5 jobs and each job is associated with some profit and deadline as shown in table 1. From the given example, it's clear that maximum deadline is 3. That's why out of 5 jobs, only 3 jobs will be executed or completed and 2 jobs are rejected. Then now you have to find out which are the jobs are completed to get maximum profit and which are the jobs are rejected by applying greedy method. And to solve this given job sequencing example, first you have to reorder all the jobs according to descending order of their profits as shown in table 2. That is, in the third column is deadlines and in the second column you have to rearrange all the profits associated with jobs in their descending order. Then among all the given 5 jobs, job J1 has the highest profit and it has a deadline 2. Job J2 has a next highest profit as a 15 with a deadline 2. Next job is a J3 with a profit 10 and deadline 1. Similarly, J4 with a profit 5 and deadline 3. J5 with a profit 1 and deadline 3. According to given example, maximum 3 time slots are available as 1, 2 and 3. Then now choose job J1 and check its deadline. The deadline of job J1 is 2. That's why put this job J1 into slot 2. When you put job J1 into slot 2 and when you complete its execution, you will get the profit as 20. Then next consider job J2. Its deadline is 2. Already slot 2 is allocated, but the slot 1 is available. Then put job J2 into slot 1, and when you complete the execution of job J2, we will earn profit as a 15. Then next choose job J3. Deadline for job J3 is 1, but there is no slot available for job J3. That's why job J3 is rejected. Next, similarly choose job J4. Its deadline is 3 and third slot is available. So put job J4 into slot 4, and when you finish completion of job J4, profit earned as a 5. Finally choose the job J5, but there is no slot available, hence job J5 is rejected. From this discussion, it's clear that the jobs completed are J1, J2, J4, and the jobs rejected are J3 and J5. And you will get the maximum profit value by adding all the values in the last column, that is 20 plus 15 plus 5 equal to 40. Let us discuss another example of job sequencing with greedy method. Then you are given 4 jobs associated with their profits and deadlines as from P1 to P4 100, 10, 15 and 27, and from deadlines D1 to D4 as 2, 1, 2 and 1. Then the given example is shown in table 1. Among all the given jobs, highest deadline is 2, hence maximum 2 jobs will be executed and 2 jobs are rejected. Now reorder all the jobs according to descending order of their profit earned as shown in table 2. Column 2 of table 2 will represent all the profits of associated jobs in a descending order. That is, the highest profit is 100 and it is associated with job 1 with a deadline 2. Similarly, next highest profit is 27, that is associated with job 4 with a deadline 1. Next profit value is 15 associated with job 3 and deadline as a 2. And finally the last object 2 is associated last 2 with a profit value 10 and a deadline 1. According to given example, only 2 time slots are possible because the highest deadline is 2. Then initialize time slot 1 and 2. Then first check the job 1 and its deadline is 2. Then put the job J1 into slot 2, and when the J1 completes its execution, we will earn profit as a 100. Then consider the next job 4 and its deadline is 1. Then put the job 4 into slot 1, and when you finish when you complete the execution of job J4, you will earn profit 27. Then next job 3, there is no free slot available, hence job 3 is rejected. Similarly, there is no free slot available for job 2, that's why job 2 also rejected. Then from this discussion, it's clear that the job J1 and job J4 are completed and job J2 and job J3 are rejected, and the total profit is a addition of all the value in the last column, that is total profit is equal to 100 plus 27 equal to 127.